Daddy, what happened? Ryan, look at Daddy.
Baby potato.
Ang liit, sabi ko sa kanya, bili siya ng potato. Fill it up. No. No Indomie now. Later, we need to eat lunch.
I will eat it.
Laki ng problema niya.
We'll just...
I think the extra potato do it.
No. Pinipare na niya kasi lahat ng mga kailangan ko para magluto. Kakat niya sana yung potato.
Leave it here.
We have 3 big ones, right?
Yeah.
Tingnan mo naman yung normal size na patatas. Ito yung binili niya. Ang liliit. Last time also, baby, I did the same thing. So it's so difficult to peel, right? It's too small, but I had no choice. I actually vlog it, I think. Di pa rin ako makarecover, guys. Tawang-tawa ko kay Daddy Ram. Alam ko kasi yung feeling kasi yun nga yung nangyari sa akin, di ba?
It's flying up from my hands, like, you know, I'm trying to peel it.
It's too small, right? It's too difficult. Malapit ka lang matarong, Daddy Ram. Hold on. Tingnan niyo si Ryan, guys. Ilagay niya yung sofa dyan para makanood siya ng TV. Relaxing, ha? My boy? Relaxing, my boy? Ayan, tapos na siyang ipil ang kanyang patatas. Thank you, Daddy Ram! Pinaghirapan mo ito. Sa tagal niyang matapos, guys, medyo na-burn na yung aking sibuyas. Sinising. Ay, naka. Kakatuwa si Daddy Ram. Pero, yan yung talagang very thankful ako kasi tinutulungan niya ako sa lahat ng bagay, sa gawain sa kusina, sa gawain sa bahay, sa paglilinis, di ba? Bait na ating Daddy Ram. Tawa-tawa lang ako, guys, pero may pinagdadaanan ang Mommy Verlin nyo. Kung napapansin nyo, yung quality ng ating video hindi masyadong as clear sa mga previous vlogs ko kasi ang gamit kong pag-vlog ngayon ay cellphone lang, yung aking cellphone. Ang ating ZV-1, sira na siya, guys. Tingnan nyo yung kanyang memory card. Pag pinasok ko na ganyan, hindi na siya naglalak. Minsan, napipilit ko naman siyang ipasok, pero ang sabi insert memory card, reformat. Kaya, hindi ko talaga alam ang gagawin. Kasi, usually, ito yung ginagamit ko pag nagba-vlog dito sa bahay. Kasi very clear niya, in low light, maganda yung quality niya as compared sa ibang camera. So, ito talaga ang lagi kong ginagamit. Pero, pag lumalabas ako naman, ay ang gamit ko ito GoPro. Lalo na pag nasa sasakyan kami, yung nag-move kami, kasi maganda ang stabilization ng GoPro. Ang problema naman itong GoPro ko, yung battery niya, hindi na siya nagsa-stop. Lagi siyang on. So, nade-drain agad and then, hindi mo na magamit. Umiinit pa. Yan din ang problema ng aking GoPro. Hindi ko na siya lagi talagang pwedeng gamitin. Very seldom na lang. Pero pag lumalabas ako, lumalabas kami, ang lagi ko talagang ginagamit ay cellphone lang. Lalo na pag nagpupunta sa mall. Kasi yung mga tao, diba, dito sa India, hindi sila masyadong sanay sa camera. So, nag-curious sila bakit siya nag-vlog, bakit siya gumagamit ng camera, may shooting ba, ganun. Yun yung nasa isip nila. Kaya, usually, phone lang yung ginagamit ko para hindi masyadong obvious na nag-vlog ako. Pero pag bahay, ang hirap mag-vlog using phone lang. Yan yung quality ng video, quality ng boses, yung mic niya, iba. Pero wala na akong magagawa, guys. So, pasensya na kayo sa ating bad news na ang ating gagamitin muna ay cellphone. When it comes to editing, wala namang problema. Dali lang namang i-transfer ang files ng phone sa aking MacBook. Yun lang talaga yung pinoproblema ko, ang quality. All is good. Uwi tayo ng Pilipinas, gamit lang ang cellphone. Mag-video tayo, mag-vlog tayo, gamit lang ang cellphone. Kakayanan natin to. Pag nakaipon na tayo, bili tayo ng bagong camera. Dami nating gastos. Uwi tayo ng Pilipinas. Tapos ganito pa. My God. Ay. Okay lang. Pagsubok lang yan. Kaya natin to. What were you doing?
What?
What were you doing? This is your vitamins. So, ito yung multivitamins na tinatake ni Ryan, guys. Hindi siya tablet, hindi siya gummy. Yung parang paper lang siya na nagme-melt sa mouth. Punta kami sa baba ni Ryan, guys. Malamig kaya naka-jacket yan. Ako rin naka-jacket. Si Daddy Ram nasa gym na. Come on. Yung mga halaman namin. Ito. Yan, nag-ano na siya. Nag-change na ng kulay. Ito, give up na. Ito na lang natira. You wanna play here? Look for your friends. Daming bata. No? May ano pala, market today. Gulay, prutas. May saris pa. Seems the apple is good naman. May strawberries din. And banana. Hello. Meron pa kasi kaming gulay. Pero mukhang fresh naman ang pinibenta nila. Meron na kaming dalawa nito. Gusto kong bumili ng 2 more para mas marami. May beef curries. Yeah, we got 2, but I wanna cook more corn. Daddy bought 2 only. Yeah. I'll call you, okay? Then you come up. And we'll eat corn. Hmm? Nakahanap ng friend sila yan. Nagka-cycling na sila. Mga kasama niya ito sa bus. Hello!
Both of them are my
Bus friends. Same school sila. Same bus din. Ren, I'll go up, okay? I'll call you later. Bye! Kahapon kasi bumili si Daddy Ram ng sweet corn, guys. Dalawa lang yung binili niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, sana inapat mo naman. Parang kasya sa ating pamilya. Eh, 1.5 usually kinakain namin. Tapos isa kay Ryan. Sabi ko sa kanya, bili tayo ng ano. dalawa pa. Eh, timing na timing. May nagbibenta ng mga vegetables nga dun sa baba. So, usually, may sweet corn silang binibenta. So, sabi ko kaya, tara, baba tayo. And gusto ko ngang may physical activity si Ryan. Mag-cycle siya, maglaro siya. Kasi di ba nag-stop na siya ng swimming. Wala siya masyadong physical activity. At least, makakapaglaro siya sa baba, di ba? Yung ibang sweet corn, hindi siya masyadong fresh. Parang nag-dry na. So, at least ito okay na. Tingnan nyo guys. Wow. Ayan, lagay na natin ang corn. At least guys, pag uwi ng aking boys, may makain sila. Laging gutom si Daddy Ram pag galing gym. And si Ryan din after maglaro. Sinecheck ko yung mga spices ko guys, kung ano yung mga nabuksan na, kung ano yung hindi pa. Ayan ito, bay leaf. Hindi ko naman ito gagamitin within 2 weeks. So, dadalhin ko yan sa probinsya. At least magamit man lang nila mother-in-law. And hindi ko siya pwedeng dalhin sa Pilipinas, diba? Kasi gusto ko yung sealed talaga yung dadalhin namin. Kasi baka magkalat pa doon sa maleta. Mahirap na. Kanina, naubusan kami ng turmeric powder. Alam niyo naman na lagi namin ginagamit sa aming queries ay turmeric powder, chili powder. Eh, nasasayangan na ako mag-open guys. Hindi ito mauubos within 2 linggo. And hindi ko siya pwedeng ibigay kina mother-in-law kasi na this weekend na kami uuwi ng probinsya. Then, after that, hindi na kami magkikita ulit. Sa third, bibigay ang mga ito. Sayang naman kung itapon lang, diba? So, as much as possible, nagtitipid ako ng mga spices para hindi na kailangan mag-open pa ng iba pa. Sayang. Naglalaba pa rin ako hanggang ngayon, guys. Kaya yan yung maingay. Pasensya na. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang dami. May pasta pa ako hindi nabuksan. Ito. Hindi pa nabuksan. Pero hindi naman pwedeng dalhin natin na ganito ito. Hindi naka-sealed properly. Wala, ito din ang dami ko. Pwede ko itong dalhin sa Pinas. Ito, then ito. Ito yung lentils na lagi namin niluluto. Pinapartneran namin ng gulay. And magiging survival food ito na Daddy Ram sa Pilipinas. Kasi ingredients will be for sure available and madaling ang lutuin guys. Hindi, wala na ito. Ano pa more? Ang dami pa pala. Uwi ko yung iba talaga sa probinsya. Kasi sayang. Welcome back. Where did you go? It's almost 7 o'clock. You said 1 class only. You bought this one for me. What is this? Tomato bhaji? Huh? Banana bhaji. Okay. I'm boiling the... Guess what?
Huh?
Guess what?
Are you sleeping?
No. Ryan is downstairs playing. I'm making something boiling. Yes.
Sweet potato.
Not sweet potato. Sweet corn. Yeah.
I found that guy bus below.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Kailangan namin i-drop yung mga ipapadala naming boxes sa probinsya. Okay.
I told Baba we are not going Saturday with us.
Okay. Thank you.
I told him not to put peanut.
This time you remembered.
Yeah.
Did you eat already?
Yeah.
How is the corn? Did you check?
Yeah, almost ready.
I still saw peanut
If
there.
you want to, maybe earlier. Usually they will put many, right?
Yeah. Shall we call Ryan now?
It will come very fast.
So good.
Now I eat out of this way.
How much did you eat? Ryan won't eat this one.
And now this one, the mixture I eat.
Mixture.
Tomato mixture.
I'll be full with this baby. I want so much sweet corn.
I don't want to eat. But 100%. You usually don't eat, right? You usually want to eat. Usually I eat late lunch. But now I eat this one.
Can you check that? I think it's overflowing.
What is it? What is it? I don't even know what that is. What is it?
Daddy is just teasing you, Nana.
Do it fast, man.
It's a bhaji. Do you want it?
No, I don't want it.
I know you're not eating this one.
No.
Yeah, sweetie.
Super sweaty,
Take
Nana.
shower.
Take shower. Played so much. That's good. He saw his friend and they played.
Sweet corn, buddy.
Yeah. Got sweet corn for you. Come on. Fashion up. Aming sweet corn, guys. Looks so yummy, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm sure Ryan is behind me.
I told you to take shower.
Give me some. Give me one.
Okay. It's hot, Nana. Still hot, that's why. It's sweet, right?
Good, very good. Yummy.
Very good.
Can I show you? Huh?
No.
He's naked, okay?
You'll bring that to Gudam?
Yeah, sending.
So, how many are we gonna give the bus fellow?
Can give as many as can. I have 2 boxes in this one. And there's one red woodland suitcase, right? You can put something inside, that one also can send. But don't have anything yet. The other things we can bring in the car.
Yeah. Well, see, let me check. It's 8 o'clock still. 9:30 we need to go.
You need to be there 9:30. That we start at 9.
Okay. Sa ilalim ng aming kama. May mga gamit din. Careful, Nana.
What is it?
Go to the other side. So it's easier to remove. You don't need those masks, Nana. Yeah.
That's what it is. That's not you.
Other side. It's already small.
Mommy close here.
Ayan yung mga damit ko, yung mga hindi ko na ginagamit.
Put all.
It's a lot?
Put all.
Hala, may sari pa. May bedsheet.
A lot of stuff.
I think that's it. The 2 sides don't.
Hiding spot to hide.
Oh, yeah. Then you cannot come out. Is this it, Daddy?
Yeah.
4 pala, ang dami. Mabigat ito, guys. Kasi ito damit. I think puro damit. Kaya mabigat. This time it's heavy, Daddy.
It's heavy. It's books is one. Same.
Oh, books pala.
Byju's books.
What with that smile? Not a smile. Oh my God, ang bigat. Ang mukha ni Daddy Ram. Ito ba? Pag kami nagdala nito, hindi talaga kasya. Buti na lang. May kakilala si Daddy Ram. Pwedeng ipadala na lang sa bus. Super traffic guys, as in. Talaga kanina pa kami dito. Hindi kami maka-U-turn.
It's extreme. I don't know why it's extreme.
Maybe holiday traffic. Started.
But today is Wednesday, only Thursday, Friday, 2 more working day. At least okay. School holidays, some of them school holidays started tomorrow. It's okay. But
It's too much, way too much.
and not even after 10 o'clock yet because I don't know why they change the time or not this week. The truck should not be in city before 10.
At last guys, nakatawid na kami.
Still not yet finished.
Yeah, not yet done. Pero at least nakapunta na kami dito sa kabilang side. Grabe ang traffic talaga. Nakakaloka, nakakatakot. Parang magagasgasan yung sasakyan namin. Wala talagang nag-give up sa kanila. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh my God. I think it's not a good idea to send these boxes at this time, Daddy. Right?
Yeah, we say we just put in the car on bus only.
Yeah, but look at it.
It's okay. Right, parking somewhere here. The bus comes in somewhere.
Wala kaming maparkingan.
He's coming here, stuck in the traffic. But if he goes to the bus stop inside, we cannot put luggage here. So we need to go follow him maybe a little further. If there is a space, we can put it there.
Lumayas na kami guys, nag-give up na kami. Kasi yung bus nasa Nizampet ng 40 minutes na doon. And malayo pa siya dito. Si Ryan nakatulog na. Oh my God. Take water. Hindi naman siya kasi urgent na kailangan padala agad sa probinsya yung mga gamit. Sabi nila, di namin itatry na bukas. Pero we'll see. Fall asleep na. It was so traffic. We wasted 1 hour just to go there. Okay, let's say bye to guys na. Bye guys!
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe, like, share, and the bell icon. Bye. See you, Bukas. Peace.